guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So I'm going to be putting a few fidgets here and say which one you like the best. So the first one is poppets. I love poppets. Anyways, yeah, poppets are really fun. You just pop. I'm on the bad side right now, so that's why you can't really hear it. But we'll get to the good side now. Love poppets so much. Yeah, pop it. Snapper. Thing. Snapper. Pop tube. They're really fun. I also have a mini one. But anyways, marble mesh, where it's just like a marble and you just bring it up and down, which is really boring. So you guys, 1 second, we'll be back. Sorry guys, I was a little bit late. Okay, anyways, next 5 is an infinity cube. I love infinity cubes. Number 6 is an octopus poppet thing. I don't really know what it's called, but I'm just going to call it that. Paw print simple dimple for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Up there. Number 8 is a monkey noodle. And number 9 is a DNA ball. I love DNA balls. Number 10, hockey track. Yep. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh wait, you guys, 1 sec. I have one more fidget. Anyways, and number 11 is a Neato, pink cat Neato. Okay, now, anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And anyways, bye guys.